Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in the following video, I will guide you to set up your new Z Flip 6. So the Z Flip 6 is a Samsung foldable smartphone with a compact design and a pro level 50 megapixel camera and features like Galaxy AI. It also features a 6.7-inch main display and along with 3.4-inch cover display. And it has a processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 4000 mAh battery, and it also has an eye-catching foldable design along with compact and eye-catching foldable design, and it also have features like live translation and other AI powered capabilities. So let's just set it up. The first thing which you can do is you just need to unbox it, and after that you just need to long press on the power button. So the first thing which you need to do is that make sure you have to plug in this charger to the phone. So plug in the charger to your phone and give it a few minutes. As you can see, the setup is being started. Now it takes some few minutes to have a complete setup for it, so let's just wait for it. So after this display comes on a device, simply long press on the power button at the very top right and simply turn on the phone. So as you can see, the phone has been turned on and it says powered by Android. So it says welcome. Here you'll see the option of start, emergency call, accessibility and all of it. So click on the option of start, and you may also choose the language from there. So you may read the end user license agreement, privacy policy, sending of diagnosis data and all of it. So click on the option of agree to all, and from here you may also set up with another device. So if you have a Galaxy or Android, you may click on the option of this iPhone or iPad, or you may want to set up manually, click on the option of set up manually, and from here you just need to choose a network to start. So I'll simply enter the password for the Wi-Fi and click on the option of connect. So click on the option of next from here, and this is preparing for mobile connection. Now this may take up to few minutes or this may take up to few seconds. So you may also choose an option or insert a SIM card to get connected. So you may also set this up later. So click on the option of set up later in the settings, and your phone is get ready. This may take a few minutes. So after this process, you'll see the option which is copy apps and data. So you can choose to transfer your app, photos, contacts, Google accounts and more. So if you want to do that, click on the option of next, but if you don't, click on the option of don't copy for it. Now this will check your checking info, like this will see all of your emails and all of it. So from here you may simply enter the email, but you may also skip this option for now. So click on the option of skip, and if you want to use location, simply turn it off. If you want to allow scanning, click on the option of toggle it, and you may simply scroll it like this. So click on the option of accept, and you may protect your phone with Face ID, fingerprints, PIN, password or pattern. So you may simply select the option from here, or you may also skip this button. Now this is making your phone, so you may simply log in with your phone number or email, or you may also sign in with QR. So you just need to click on the option of sign in to get started. So simply enter the email on this page right here and click on the option of continue. So you just need to enter the password for your Samsung account. So if you don't have an account, you may click on the option of forget password or create an account. So click on the option of create account. You may simply agree to all the terms and conditions and click on the option of agree, and from here you may simply enter the mail to create an account, and from here you just need to create a password for your account, and here you just need to select a date of birth and click on the option of done. Enter your first name, last name, and click on the option of create account. Now you may simply enter the phone number, so it will verify your phone number. So click on the option of send. Now they have sent me the code on my another device, so I just need to turn it on and see if they have sent me the code or not. So I'm just waiting for the code. So as you can see, they have sent me the code, so I'll simply enter and click on the option of verify. So now this just takes few minutes, so you just need to click on the option of next and click on the option of more and next again like this. So you may choose the display mode like light or dark, that is according to your choice. I'll simply click on the option of dark and click on the option of next to continue. So you may simply skip this button, simply click on the option of next, and you are all set up like this. So click on the option of finish. You may also simply close this like this, and you will be able to see it on the home screen or the OLED screen like this. That's it. That's how you can set up a Samsung Z Flip 6. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.